it's Meadow, and today I'm going to show you how to Dutch braid your hair. The first step is to brush your hair. Now that I've brushed my hair, I'm going to separate my hair into two sections. Now I'll take a chunk of my hair from the top. With this chunk of hair, you'll want to separate it into three. From these three pieces, I'll just begin braiding, but instead of going over, I'll bring each new strand under. So first I'll start by grabbing one, bringing it under. Then I'll grab a little chunk of hair from the bottom. Now I'll bring one piece under, and with the piece that's closest, I'll grab a little chunk of hair from the top. Now I'll repeat doing this by taking this one strand, grabbing a piece, and bringing it under. Top strand, grabbing a piece, bringing it under. At first, this won't look super good, but with practice and looking in the mirror and trying a bunch, it will look really good. Once you're finished with the Dutch part, then you'll just begin braiding normally by bringing one strand, bringing it under. Once you braid far down, then you'll take a hair tie. To do the other side of your hair, take a chunk of your hair and split it into three. Now you'll do the same by bringing each strand under, but maybe you'll have to grab from the top first instead of the bottom. If you're still having some trouble by getting your Dutch braids, I suggest that you practice just braiding by bringing hair to the back instead of the front, just straight without connecting it to your head. And I also suggest not looking into a mirror. It might confuse you. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.